Hi everyone. Today I will be making these pretty earrings. Along with these multi loop oxidized charm, I'm using these glass beads. I'm trying to make these earrings as much as possible using my hands, and I'll be probably using only this flat nose plier because I've curated this special DIY kit for my friend who is probably making the jewelry for the first time. Okay, let's get started. We'll take this round head pins. Sometimes these pins head will be smaller. To stop the beads fall out of this pin, we use this small steel bead. We insert that small bead into the head pin. Now we take the bead and insert in the pin. This charm has multiple holes in it, and the bead is actually pretty bigger in comparison to the gaps that we have in the charm. So what we do is we leave one hole and insert the bead in the second hole and follow similar pattern. Now insert the pin into the second hole. Leave about 2 millimeter gap so that you have an space there to turn the pin. Keep rotating the pin until and unless you reach the end. Just make sure the pin is tucked inside as much as possible so that it doesn't hurt you when you wear it. You can see that the bead is able to dangle easily. If you think that the pin has not tucked inside properly, use a small plier if you have any to just give a pinch so that it doesn't hurt you. Now you repeat the same for the other loops. Take the pin, insert metal bead into it, and the other color bead or glass bead of your choice, and insert that as well into the pin. Now we will insert this into the loop, leaving one loop in between so that the beads can have some space in between. When you are turning the pin, ensure that it is little tightly tucked in so that it looks neat. Here there is one more loop on top, so I'm using this light colored glass bead to fill that. loop. We are just one step away from completing this earring. Now we take the earring hook and you will need a plier for this. There is a small opening. Do not open it towards the outside. It will distort the loop. What you have to do here is you have to open the loop towards you. Twist the plier towards your side. That will create a small opening for you to insert the earrings that you have made. That's the opening. Now you take the earring that you have made, turn the earring hook downwards, and the face of the earring should be facing towards you, and then from the bottom you connect both earring hook as well as the hole in the earring. This connects both together, and now you take the plier and close the open loop in the earring hook. That's it. Now you have made your own earrings and it's looking really pretty. Okay, now we will repeat the same process what we did for the first earring to the other pair and we'll be done. With these few simple steps, you can create your own earrings. Isn't it amazing? Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Bye bye.